Hi, let me show you how to set any sound as iPhone ringtone. For that, you need to go ahead and open App Store because here we need to find and install this GarageBand app. Once installed, immediately open it. You should see this tab and in the list find Audio Recorder. Now I want you to tap on it and then we need to disable metronome by clicking corresponding icon. So after that, click on this icon on top, like that, to see this display. And now click on the plus in the upper right corner, like that. So just try to click on that plus because we need to change bars. So go in this section A and manually switch to 30 bars just by clicking right here and tap down to save changes. Now I want you to click on this loop icon on top. From Apple Loop, switch to Files and find your installed sound here. Usually it is in this MP3 format. So if you installed any sounds before, then you should see it in your files. So what I want you to do is to click on this sound like that. So it will appear right here. And now we need to press and hold it and drag it right here on this board. So move it up. Now you can immediately adjust it. So here, adjust its length. And if you wanna listen, just tap on this icon. So I'm perfectly fine with the beginning and length of this song. So now we just have few steps left. To save this song, we need to click on this arrow on top and choose My Sounds tab. Now you should see that it is saved right here. You need to press and hold it and click Share. Then you should see three options: Sound, Ringtone and Project. So I want you to pick Ringtone from the list. Click Continue. Here you can rename it, for example, My Sound 1, and click Export. Let me just rename it because this name exists, so I'm gonna rename it. And now we can immediately set it as our current ringtone by clicking Standard Ringtone. Or another way how you can set it as your ringtone is to go in Settings and find Sounds and Haptics. After that, of course, pick Ringtone section and find name of your sound right here. And by clicking it, you will set it as your current ringtone. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.